Trust is something we all treasure, and it greatly affects how we perceive communications and relationships with others. The opposite is also true. Where there is distrust, the communications and related responses may be far different and less positive and forthcoming. Trust is essential. Let's talk about this with navigating the medical system. When there is mutual trust between a physician or care team and the patient, both sides generally feel respected, informed, and accepting, even when the medical news is difficult. Losing trust, whether in a family, among friends, or within an institution such as the VA, brings consequences to the relationship. Lost trust can be very detrimental and may not be in your control, setting up an adversarial relationship on both sides. Why do we lose trust in our medical systems? Medical care, civilian or military, is complex, and patients and staff don't always have the answers you seek. Good ones will refer you, and poor ones may indulge in interpretive dance rather than share what they don't know. It isn't called the practice of medicine without reason. Within the VA, to prepare as well as possible, carry hard copies of directives, stay educated on policy changes, and share these if staff are not as informed as you are. As caregivers become aware of how systems work, this is not that unusual. When confronted with outright wrong direction, let's face it, it's humiliating, and exhausted caregivers may learn from experience to not trust the system. How do you manage in an atmosphere of trust? Calmly. How do you manage in an atmosphere of distrust? Intensely. Strive for trust with all communications, since the consequences of distrust may be self-fulfilling. Try hard to view each situation separately without bias. We inherently want and will people to respond truthfully and with respect when we ask for help in the same frame of mind. As Friedrich Nietzsche said, "I'm not upset that you lied to me. I'm upset that from now on I can't believe you." Work diligently to maintain trust as you walk this caregiver journey.